Alright, I'd really like to thank everybody for watching today. There is a whole build video when I built this about 3 years ago, I believe. I'll put it in the description if anybody want to watch the build video. I thought this would be a good time to break it out for America's 250th anniversary. Just show my support to the country and hope everybody else is feeling the same way. It's a very special year. And I just felt obligated to do something that I didn't really have nothing else to show on camera. It was red, white, and blue. And I figured, why not break out the engine I put together. So it features 3 5-horse flathead Briggs and Stratton engines. The blue one has been fully rebuilt because it was smoking real bad. The red and white ones have never been rebuilt as far as I know. It's all chain driven. It is timed the best I can to get a 1, 2, 3 firing order, just about as close as I can get. It almost sounds like a straight 6 running. But yeah, I just want to make a quick little video. Hope everybody enjoyed this. And like I said, there is a build video in the description if anybody wants to check that out. And I put up a few shorts videos from time to time. Probably not going to do it this year. But anyway, just want to make a quick little video for the 4th of July. So happy birthday, America. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.